So yun guys, no, good news. And this one share ko lang kasi isa to sa mga testimonials dun sa Telegram community natin. And yun, masaya lang kasi syempre nakakatulong ka financially. It's not that they need it, but they want to do business, and they're earning through forex trading. So isang side hustle opportunity na pwede mo talagang gawin. And yun, eventually you can do it full time or part time. So syempre it depends on your skills or your eagerness to do this. But yun, I'm currently doing it full time, no, yung trading. And yun, the freedom, and yun, wala kang boss, wala kang clients na ipiplease, and wala kang customers na ipiplease. It's just you and the market. But of course, it's not butterfly. It's not always rainbows and butterflies, no. May mga ano rin yan, may mga downside din yan. So syempre, hindi ko naman itatago sa inyo na yun, pwede ka rin masunugan, mag-loss ka ng malaki. So it really depends on your risk management skills. Yun, marami na syempre nandyan din yung stress kapag talagang sunod-sunod na yung nagiging losses mo. But it's really up to your psychology and how you handle stress, no. So ayun, balance lang. So syempre, yun nga, you have the freedom. Yun, you can trade anywhere, anytime. Basta may internet, kahit nasa beach ka pa. And yun, kahit nasa ibang bansa ka pa, no, basta may internet ka, kaya mo mag-trade, kaya mo kumita. But then again, yun nga, it's not rainbows and butterflies, no. Hindi ko tinatago yan. Ayokong sabihin na eto lang, nag-earn lang tayo. So what you do is that kapag kumita ka ng malaki, kumita ka ng ganyan, so do some risk management. Withdraw mo a part of it, 50%, 70%, then keep the other 30%. Yan, keep mo lang, lagay mo sa account mo, let it grow. And then use it for those bad days, no. So at least safe yung capital mo. And then yun nga, pagka nabawi mo na yung capital mo, withdrawin mo na. Yun. So parang play money mo na lang yung nakalagay dyan. So kahit masunog ka, play money mo na lang yan eh, 'di ba? And aside do sa play money mo, magtago ka pa kapag tuloy-tuloy yung earnings mo, magtago ka pa sa earnings mo ulit. So it's like that, no. So that's risk management, money management. Ayan, para maiwasan natin yung sobrang stress. Kasi pag may sobrang stress ka and pressure to earn or to profit here in the forex trading, mas lalo kang magkakamali. Pero if you're willing to lose, or if you're willing to let go, no, it's okay kasi it's part of the game, no, yung losses, no. So there's always losses, hindi mo matatago yan. And there's no perfect signal. Yan, so nagbibigay tayo ng trade signal sa Telegram community natin. Walang perfect signal. So there are times na mali talaga yung nagsisignal. Kahit sino, kahit saan, kahit yung nagpapabayad pa ng signal, ayan, wala talagang magaling dito. It's all about risk management and money management. Okay? So yun, sa atin, sa Telegram community natin, trade signals natin is all for free. Trade ideas are all for free. Ayan, so bala kayo. Gusto niyo mag-join? It's really up to you, no? So, ganun tayo. Yun, hindi natin tinatago yung mga ganyan na nagkakaroon ng losses. But then, we are proud and also we are very happy for those who are making it. Yeah, so, kaya sinare natin itong testimonial. Sinarado ko na, tol. Naka $94 tayo. It's just one day. And I would say na talagang up until now, he's still earning. And yun nga, pag nag-earn na, tinuturuan ko naman ng risk management and money management para nga masustain yung trading, no. So that's it, guys. If you want, you can join our Telegram community. Nandiyan na yung link dyan sa my description box below. If you are interested in trading, forex trading, yan, may link na rin tayo dyan ng broker. So kindly check that out sa bio natin or sa description box below. So see you there. Thanks so much. You have a great day.